Hey, what's up guys, my name is Marian and today we're gonna see how to use Premiere Pro, and I'm gonna tell you everything about Premiere Pro, right from starting a new project or creating a new project and creating a sequence, importing the videos, audio, and to show how you can put them all together to make a video. And here we are. So I'm going to create a new project by clicking on this, and you can give the new project's name as my first project or pretty much anything. So you can actually choose the location over here, and this location is currently set to users documents at Premiere Pro 12.0. You can also change this to a different folder, and I'm going to leave this as such. And under general, you've got the display format for timecode, display format for audio samples, capture format for DV or HDV. I'm going to leave it as such, and you can click on scratch this, and over here you can actually set to which folder the captured video should be in. Alright, and it's currently in 12.0. Alright, and same goes for audio previews, and you've got the auto save option, and you can just save it as the same project, or if you want to do it custom, and it's gonna ask you where you can save it by clicking on the browse button, and I'm gonna leave it as such like I told you. And it's pretty much straightforward, and you've got the ingest settings here, and you don't have to go through all these things. So what I would suggest is let's get going. Alright, and I'm gonna click on OK, and here we go. We've got a new project by the name my first project. Alright, and you've got the source monitor here and the program window here, and over here you can import the media such as pictures, videos and audio, whatever goes into your project. Alright, and in order to create a new sequence, what you can do is right click and click on new item, and then click on sequence, and under sequence you can choose the formats which you would like to go for, and I would suggest that you can start with digital SLR 1080p and DSLR 1080p 24 frames per second. Okay, so sequence is the underlying part, and on which you can lay your videos or your pictures or your audio file. Okay, and you can have multiple sequences on the same project, and you can reference one sequence over the other, and let's not go deep into it because we are just starting off, and let me just cover the basic things so that it's going to be easy for you. And you've got a list view here, and you can click on this. For icon view you can click on this. Okay, I'm gonna go for list view, and when you set it to list view you can actually see the details. Okay, so you can see the frame rate, the media start and end, duration, video in point, video out point, duration, subclip part. Got a lot of options here, tons of options here. Okay, and I'm gonna reduce the size, and another thing is I'm going to show you how you can import the media files. Okay, so all you got to do is just double click on it, and you can simply browse to the folder where you have the video and audio, and you can either import the folder, or you can simply get in and select what you want and click open. Okay, I'm not going to do this first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, I'm going to create a new bin so that it is uniform. I'm going to rename this as videos, and another bin for music. So I'm going to double click on the videos, locate to the folder where the videos are, Control A or Command A for the Mac, select all and click open, and there you go, it's going to get imported. And this button, when you click on it, it's going to take you to one folder above, and you're going to get back here, and on the project window you can double click on music, double click on it again, and choose the music you want to import. Click on this button again, and we've got the music, and we've got a sequence as well. Okay, what I'm gonna do is now this looks a little messy, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this window here, and your new sequence is already set, so all you got to do is drag the music and the video files onto the sequence. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next episode.